Hi guys, Chris here. I just wanted to give you another quick tour here for any newcomers and that. Just wondering where your supplements are being made. These two are going out because supposedly they're not buying enough of the death cakes and stuff, so we're going to have to get our own. If this is your first video, we manufacture clean, potent supplements, mostly herbal. These are some reviews here from our, if you check out our 30,000 plus reviews. This is our kitchen area for our staff. We're about 35 at the minute. Hopefully get to 40 within the month. More laundry, and there's the girls' changing rooms. A couple of toilets, a couple of showers. There's the men's area. Somebody needs to sort their wellies out. It's a Saturday morning. It was at the 15th, yeah, day after Valentine's Day. And there's some toilets in here. See, even the paint there's lifting up from here. That's them just standing there all the time. We're getting this all lifted up and polishing these manufacturing rooms over here because it sort of didn't work out, the paint. The builders are in here somewhere as well. That way to the warehouse. This is like the 12th room. Well, I tried this here floor, but look at that. This is sort of like a spare room at the moment. Doesn't really, that other stuff there is not too good. That's the real thick stuff. We're just gonna take that back down and polish the concrete. I think it'll just be easier for us. It's like it's like wear and tear. Look at that. The cleaners were in yesterday. And then we have 4 of these packing rooms is where we pack the supplements. There's 4 of these rooms, and there's 4 big wash rooms, just the same. And then beyond that is the manufacturing. So like the to eat parts and stuff. And then that's sort of the packing machine. Capsules go in there, spin round that, come out there. And this is our place, this is our sealing machine. It's always good to see where they're made. Everyone likes to see these sort of videos. So the parts are bristling. Cleaner and then anti-bac. So everything gets cleaned and then it's anti-bac after that. Keep the germs away. And then these are 4 of these clean rooms like this. You look in there. One's maybe needs deep down. Yep, so let's see. That's the second one of them. Somebody's left their bottle of sugar there. I'll just sort of walk around over here. Just put cupboards over them because even though like nobody's working in here, if we come in on Monday, sort of there can be like a little dust layer on them. So that's why we put the covers on them. Here's all our lockers. Third room. fourth room. These are just fresh in yesterday. So this is sort of like I haven't really got into this room yet. The machines might not be working. See, there's one not working there at the minute, parts. So we're using them 3 rooms, and then this, we're naturally growing into the 4th room. So we are, so that's where we're at the minute. We should have some new products as well. All the legals are done and stuff, so. There's one of the builders there. So it is. And here, are they? And the builders are in, so. Try not to get them on camera. Alright, so go on. I'll not get this on camera. Sort of the boys are in there sealing the tops there. So the drips come down. There's 12 of these rooms like this. See that floor picking up there. Leave Timmy to it there. See like that's there. Look. So we're going to bring that right back and then polish it. And then also where they're sort of left there. Machines taken apart and stuff. Rustling. Need someone there like that. The drawer there. There are 2 rooms. See everything's sort of bristling. Dehumidifier sucks all that wet out, so they were working this morning, being 99% dry. So they was. They've all got their own washers and the system. Still fine tuning this sort of area to get the standard with what we want. It's 90% there, like everything's bristling. As I say. Floors. That's the electric doors. What's that there, like 6 months? And then that's the good paint, so didn't work. The cleaners are meant to be in here yesterday, don't really do a good job. Look at that. That's from the turmeric. It was done in there yesterday, so I think we're just gonna do the cleaning instead of hiring a cleaning company, because don't seem to work out too well, so they don't even show up some nights. Then we have to come in and clean first thing in the morning. Another room there. Another one there. Is that on there? Too sure maybe it's broke. Oh, there's back on there. Our air system. Yeah, so the builders are waiting on a wee machine to come to take that first layer off and then polish it, and then we'll see how we get on with that. It should be a lot better there. It's not very awful looking there, like it's not even out here. Look at that. That's just rolling machines in and out. You know, this is sort of our spare room in here. You know, there's a spare room. That's the custom made machine from Japan. The boys were in there. The guys were in yesterday, they're fixing these, so it's sort of a bit of a mess in here. So it is, so that's a spare room. I haven't got this beast going yet. Sort of parts and stuff. Yeah. Up there to the main picking and packing area. The electric box. This is like the done turmeric in here yesterday. You can see the turmeric still getting sucked in. I need not touch it. It's the dusty. Sucks any excess powder and you in the air. Dust extractor. Filter needs changed then on Monday morning. 3 here to the warehouse. We're getting some work done. They should be outside doing that. So they should be. I think that's the electricians there. We're just working just there in the solar panels. I'm trying to, and this is all our stock and stuff. Rows. Just the whole way down there. I'm starting to fill these up full of capsules. I think the insurance we're looking at boxed in and then like double fireproofed. And here's our fridge. There's all the stuff ready to go Monday morning. The guys in there. This is for more finished, capsules in here. Even here, that's the fork truck going up and down. Finished products here. And then wee blue containers. I'll just go back out this way again. There's some that needs washed. A wee storeroom there. Bits and bobs, rings and stuff. All sorts of parts. This leads us right round to where we were. We started, the 4 picking rooms. Or the packing rooms, sorry. This way here. All sorts of supplies. Second fridge full of our stock. And then what we do is bring that out into the main office and pick and pack from them. See, like these trolleys. We roll these out, put them around these big tables I'm going to show you, and then that's where we pick and pack from. I'll give you a bag devil's claw there, quickly grab it. So they're all labelled, rack 8. Goes all the way down there. Full of products. I mean, this here would all be gone in a couple of weeks, like. So well, that's how fresh our supplements are made. Made and then out the door, and all this will be restocked and within a couple of weeks. Some toilets through that way to the main offices. And then here's the main picking and packing and sticking. So your orders will come in here. Girls work away on the laptops, print the invoices, give the invoices to pickers and packers, the two big tables there, and then they're shipping everything from here. I'm gonna put a wee live stream up there soon on TikTok or something, socials, so you can actually see your orders going out the door Monday to Friday from like 9 to 6. A couple of toilets through there, and then that brings you back down to those last, you know, where the Japanese custom machine is down there. Some other envelopes and stuff there, and there's rubber sticker labels on. We're doing away with that soon here. I'm working on, we have one of our products redesigned, just need to do the other 85, which I'm currently working on. Actually, there's one on here I can show you. And the carpet didn't work out, so we are going to change this to more of the PVC stuff. Easier to clean. Because in here, look at that, the manager's up and down there, and you know, the place is just a bit of a nightmare. This is their main office. Some sort of positive, find the way stuff. Almost better to be positive than negative. This is my office. I'll show you that. And then there's our new product right there. That's one. So that's the way they're gonna. That's our first design. I have to get another 85 of these done. Probably just be pretty much similar, and then it's different sort of watermarks. Maybe a different colour than white, some of them. That's what I'm personally working on. I got this one designed, and then I'm working with a designer to try and get this going ASAP. Hopefully in 2 months or so we'll have these. So we'll do away with the stickers, and then these are from the UK that come, you know, we put an order in and it's come like this. There's the boxes there, look. There's that. I'll show you like that. Yeah. And then we just pack straight in these instead of sticking the stickers on. To save us a lot of time. Fully recyclable as well. So that's pretty much the. I'm going to put a wee QR code up there so you can scan it and go straight to whatever product it is, like collagen. Yep, so that's pretty much. There's a light there. That's my table. And then this is the wee kitchen area for the office workers. There's the other offices. Spare office at the moment. Accountant's office. HR's office. And another spare office. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. There'll be some new products coming on the website, and also, where's it put their bag? Rubbish. Also, we'll have a wee search function on the website soon where, you know, you'll be able to go on and say like, what's a symptom, and you'll be able to search reviews direct on each product page. So let's say you're looking at something for your knee or something, sore knee, you could just type in pain and it'll show the most recent reviews on a whole load of different products. So that should help people. I'm sure they'll the MHRA and the government aren't going to like that, but it's your reviews. So, you know, it's going to be on our product pages, and then you can search for anything you want, like sleep, you know, better your mood, stuff like that. So, yeah, that's a quick tour. That's what I want. It's a good 20 minutes. So, yeah, that's it.